The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County and south central Wisconsin until 11:15 p.m. At 10:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Poinet, 8 miles east of Lake Wisconsin, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ryle around 10:50 p.m., Fall River around 11:05 p.m., Columbus around 11:10 p.m., Randolph and Cambria around 11:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Arlington, Otsego, and Doylestown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest